right, here's the current situation. The Skyliner was down. We had to book it to take a bus. Elise, tell them about the bus situation.
There were so many people in the bus. The actual Hollywood Studios bus skipped everyone because the bus was
That's right.
full.
The Hollywood Studios bus came and just passed us right up.
So
They were so full because the Skyliner was down. Everybody was taking a bus. So we took an Uber driver. He got us here right at when park openings at 7 a.m. But the lines were atrocious. It took 20 minutes to get through security.
Yes.
And now we're booking it to Slinky Dog. And I think, what's our goal, Bailey?
To get to Slinky Dog.
Get to Slinky Dog.
It'll be a short line.
And if the line is how many minutes or less, we're gonna ride it?
An hour.
An hour. We're gonna do a Disney first. We woke up early so that we could do Slinky Dog. We are gonna do Slinky Dog. So we're gonna go for 60 minutes. If it's 60 minutes or less, we're gonna ride it. Right, Bailey? Right, Elise?
Yeah.
All right. All right, kids. We're about to enter Toy Story Land. Don't be distracted by all the cute stuff. We've got a mission.
Woody!
Woody! It's our first time at Toy Story Land.
Woody, Woody, Woody.
Woohoo!
Oh, Daddy, I want to build the block.
I know. A Disney first is amazing.
Check the weight.
I'm so excited to be able to do a Disney first with these girls. Don't distract us, Woody. We're on a mission.
Howdy, partners. Oh, your toy pals are ready to play. Buzz, Jesse, Slinky,
Here we go.
Rex,
So here's the
Sarge,
question.
and everyone else in the backyard.
Oh, Rex has
How?
antlers.
He does have antlers. Okay. How long is the wait? That is going to be the question. So, Toy Story Mania is 10 minutes. Toy Story Mania is 10 minutes. It's like 7:25 right now. So the park's been open for, hold on, let me see what time it is. Let me get the accurate time. It's 7:26 a.m. We had an extra magic hour opening at 7. Okay. It looks pretty good because the last time I was here, the line for Slinky Dog was backed all the way up to here.
Yeah.
So
Walk the line.
I did walk the line.
That was the Star Wars ride.
No, I did it twice. I did a video walking the line and then I did one for Star Wars. Okay, here we go. All right, this looks promising. This looks really promising. But let's see where it stops. Oh, wow, it still stops on the bridge. 65 minutes. It's 65 minutes. All right, we got some decisions to make. All right, standby is 60 minutes. There's somebody holding a sign that says 65 back there. We're about to do a family gut check. Are you in or are you out?
And
She's in. Are you in or are you out? In. All right, there you go.
let me see the camera. Are you in or out?
Oh, Dad's totally in. Dad's been in, right?
Yep.
All right, guys. You know what this means, right? It means family bonding for the next 60 minutes.
No.
Yes.
Family bonding is the worst.
Family bonding with Dad for a whole 60 minutes. What you think, Elise? It could be the greatest ride of the trip.
This is the worst.
Yes.
Why family bonding?
All right, we're moving. We're moving. Oh my goodness. We're moving. Oh, they probably just opened up. You know what they probably did? They probably just opened up some of those zigzags. You know, so we're gonna be zigzagging. At least we'll get to see the whole queue, like everything in the queue. You are definitely tall enough. Oh my goodness. Here we go. The Disney snake. All right, if we see anything cool in the queue, we'll let you guys know. But there's the ride, like right there. All right, it's our 5-minute check-in. It's 7:35. We started all the way back there. We've snaked all the way around.
5 minutes.
And we're not, I don't know. We still haven't made it to the interactive parts. That would hopefully make this a little bit easier. All right, 5 minutes in. You still want to do this? No? She's joking. Yeah, she's totally in. All right, it's our 10-minute check-in. How are you feeling now? Still good? Are we still good? Yeah. Okay, we're still good. There's the ride. It's our 15-minute check-in. How are we doing, Bailey? Your stomach hurts. All right. What do we got, Elise? 15-minute check. All right, Elise can see the ride, but we know in Disney fashion, just because you can see it, it could be another 3 hours. It's our 25-minute check-in. How are we doing? How are we doing? We've kind of lost a little bit of the energy here. Actually, I'm sorry, it's our 21-minute check-in. It's our 21-minute check-in. So we may have a Disney miracle. That is the line right there, or that is the ride right there. They just asked us how many were in our party from right there. This is our 25-minute update. 25-minute update. Elise, how you think it's a 60-minute wait?
No.
No. I think we just got lucky. What do you think, Bailey?
I think it's about 30 minutes.
What was that?
I think it's about 30 minutes.
About 30-minute wait?
They exaggerate.
Okay. All right. Well, we're at 25 minutes. Next update, hopefully we'll be on the ride. This is our 30-minute update, and we are getting on the ride. Wait. Okay. All right, we got it.
And then we just subbed in a different dad for you.
Okay.
I literally was here.
No panic, right? She leaves with you. I'm just, no, don't take that the wrong way. I got enough.
I don't know. She can make that decision, I guess. Like, you didn't do somewhere cool afterwards.
I thought I was getting on a ride, and now it's a job interview, right?
Like, oh, no, it's just like a thrift store.
All right, there's Elise and Bailey. You guys ready? I know, they're in the back. All right, guys, that was 30 minutes. Here we go. Time for Slinky Dog. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Hello, everybody. Hello. Slinky Dog. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Slinky Dog. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! It's not even 8 a.m. All right, here we go. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Wonder what's gonna happen. Here we go. Oh! Woo! Wow! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Wow! That was Slinky Dog. What do you think, girls? There we go. Got a little entertainment here at the end. Little entertainment. Hello.
Now, please stay seated till we come to a complete stop.
Are you going to recover? Do we need to go find the medical tent?
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
That is worth 3 hours.
That wasn't 3 hours. It was only 30 minutes.
I know, but it's worth 3
It was
hours.
30 minutes. It said 65 minutes, but it was 30 minutes.
I know, but it's worth 3 hours.
You would do it for 3 hours. What do you think? Great talk. All right.
That ride is amazing.
That ride was amazing.
I'd stay like 3 hours if I could, just ride that. because that is amazing.
All right, there you go. We did Slinky Dog before 8 a.m. Everything was awesome. But check out the line now. It's all the way back here.
My life flashed before my eyes.
It was amazing.
Your life flashed before your eyes?
It was amazing.
I know, it was
That
amazing.
drop up there made me realize I'm going to die.
That drop was pretty cool.